Hey guys, Devyam here, or André for the more excited with the channel, and today let's learn about React Rooks. In this video, we learn useState. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as this really helps me know you're liking the content, and a new video is up every other Saturday. Let's go! So right here we have a React project that I create just as I teach it in the last video. So if you are used to JavaScript and you want to do a counter, then you should do something like this. Let's create the counter right here and apply a value to it. And right here we can display it. We save, we can already see it. Let's break a line right here and let's do a button. Type button and +1 inside. So right here we have a button, and by the logic of JavaScript we should do something like this on click, and right here inside we'll add a function, and in this function we will say that counter will receive counter +1. So right here, if we press this button, it should add 1 to our counter right here. But it does not work. Why? React do not update variables as JavaScript does. So instead of this, we use useState. And the way that we can do this is by change this to a constant, and we will use constant right here. Use state. We will also add a value. Notice that the use state was imported automatically by the Visual Studio Code right here. If you did not do that, then you just need to type it and you should be fine. So right here, we are creating a counter and saying that the value of this counter is 0. But we cannot access a counter like this. We will need to use it as square brackets. And we say that it is in state 0, as the state are created with two values. 0 is the value itself that we can use, and 1 will be the state that we will use to alter the 0 state. So what does it mean? Let's see it. Right here, this function does not work, so we will change it right here, brackets 1, and actually, yes, this is fine. And right here, it will receive the value that it will be in the counter 0. So we'll do counter 0 +1. We save it, and it should be working fine. Because this right here, we are saying that the basically the use state will update the value to 0. And right here, it is receiving the 0 value. So when we say it right here, we are asking what value is in counter. And when we use counter right here, we are using the one value right here to say that we are changing the value of content. And we use the round brackets to add our, our form, formulate form, our formula. So right here it is, and it is already working. Well, but this is not the most common way that developers use useState. Normally, we add the values right here. So the first one we can use just as counter, normal, as commonly used. But the second one, by standard, we should use set and the name of the first item. So in this case, it will be set counter. And right here, we do not use the counter anymore. And instead of the counter one, we will use set counter. And inside just counter plus one, save it, and it will work fine. This is the way that most developers do. We can also do this with a negative button if we want. Let's just copy that and place it right here. Let's change this to less less minor minus sign. Save it, and right here we have it. And we can add and input things. So instead of variables, everything we use, we in React we use state. Hmm. And that's the way it is. If you did not understand, you can go back in the video just a little bit and watch it again. I hope that all this information was useful. Please don't forget to add me in social media. It will be available in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.